So here it says that same na tebi tse tongju mejang salewa machu kuyang lüdinga ramba mayin zamdo sho. Tele namdo jijunya manga masem rango tu. So when you sit like that, looking back into one's mind, something can trigger, like sound or something could trigger our mind. Sort of our mind goes there. Or even nothing triggers our mind, sort of some thoughts arise. Look at the nature of the thought. Look back at the nature of thought. When even the thought arises, it does not obscure the nature, true nature or insight. Let it rise and let it sort of go. So quite often, Khyentse Rinpoche would compare with throwing a stone at the dog. When you throw a stone at the dog will chase the stone. When thoughts arise, if you continue with the thoughts will bring another thought, there will be chain reaction. If you throw a stone at the lion look at you, doesn't chase the stone, and then you don't want to throw the second stone. So when thought arises, you look back, and then the second thought will not arise. Debe Jesu mandrangshi maung tokwen di masu, tekar chine trabadi, shisha sumdra shesu cha.